Selling and advertising your products using Amazon ads throughout Europe might just be easier than you think. If you're already seeing success on Amazon in one country, then selling across the other European markets is a great way to seriously scale up your business. Here's my top tips. First, use country-specific uploads for your product images and A+ content to get customers seeing your product listings in their native language. This alone will help improve sales, search visibility, and conversion rates in each new European country you're selling in, especially if your listings are already well established with good reviews in your home marketplace. Next, use Amazon Ads country-specific function to start setting up campaigns in each new region you're selling in. Amazon Ads even translates the search terms back into your home language to make it super simple to understand and organize, especially when you're switching between different languages as you're selling throughout Europe. However, just because one campaign is working well in Italy doesn't mean it's going to work as well in France. Shoppers all across Europe have different buying habits, and some categories will have higher cost per clicks and be more competitive in some countries than they are in others. Therefore, if you're about to launch in a new country for the first time, I would recommend starting off with some of your most proven campaigns and keywords first. Small budget, run it, analyze, test, and scale up as you go. So don't sleep on Europe. If you're well established in one country, remember, with Amazon, all your product listings and reviews carry straight across. So branching out across Europe can literally be a goldmine. One of my clients has recently gone from Italy into France, and within our first few months of scaling up with ads, we were close to hitting 30,000 euros per month in revenue. We're now going to go on to Amazon Vendor, which would then hopefully allow us to scale this up to 6-figure months by the end of the year. So start small first and use Amazon's country-specific tools to get your advertising campaigns and product listings set up for success in each country you're going to be selling in. Test, analyze, optimize, and scale up as you go. And remember, if you need any additional help with scaling out through Europe, improving your brand's profitability and sales in the UK, or anything to do with Amazon, I run Optimize e-commerce, which is an Amazon agency, and we can take care of absolutely everything for you, or we can guide you on the right path to more sales and more profitability. Follow for more, hit subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.